Oh, am I recording? I guess I'm recording. Huh. Learn something new every day. Hope you can hear that music. It's the one thing I like living in Purcell, Oklahoma. They've got their own little radio station. Covers about 10 miles radius, then fades away. But they play some really good rhythm and blues music all day long. Taking a little break from sandblasting. I went out and got me some media, some black diamond fine to use to sandblast these little parts here. This is the one I did yesterday, and I painted it so it wouldn't rust. But I'm going to be sandblasting it again because I didn't get the rust. So that's next on the agenda. Just thought I'd share that. Thanks for watching. Short video.